tears. Oh. She's really gonna cry.
Poor Dreamy.
Poor Dreamy.
Hi everyone, welcome to Grace's Funhouse.
Hi everyone, welcome to Grace's Funhouse.
And I got this new crybaby.
No, wait, let's see.
See?
Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Baby Jenna, and she's a pony. And she's so cute. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. And Jenna is from the Fantasy collection. That is cute. Okay, what else, Grace? Who's that? Turn it around.
Dreamy.
Oh my goodness, Dreamy. And Dreamy's a unicorn. She's so pretty. They're so
This one is
cute.
a My Little Pony. This one's a unicorn.
That's
Awesome.
true. You're right.
It's like My Little Pony.
Oh my goodness, you're right. Look, they have stars on the side. That's so cute. Okay, let's take it out.
Okay. Yep, I took it out.
Woohoo! Okay, let's take the other one out.
Okay, this one's the easy one.
Oh my goodness! Look at those wings from Jenna. Turn her around. How cute! Oh my goodness, those are the cutest little wings and those tails. Oh, and their hair is so cute, so colorful.
Yeah.
Oh, they're so
It
cute.
has pacifiers.
Oh, they have pacifiers. Let me see.
This one doesn't have wings because it's a unicorn.
That's true. And this one's a pony.
Let's take off the pacifiers.
Okay, do it. Let's see if they
this
cry.
one.
Oh, I heard that. Let's do it. Take it off. Oh, it's crying.
Is the tears are coming out?
I'm not sure. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see the tears. Oh. She's really gonna cry. Oh no. And poor Jenna.
Poor Dreamy.
Poor Dreamy. Sorry, Dreamy. Oh, but she's so cute.
Not
Look
her.
at her.
You're not you.
She's really crying. Okay, let's
need
try.
a towel.
Let's try. Jenna. Oh, Jenna's crying already, but she's not really making any noise. Let's put the pacifier back again. Oh.
Now let's put them back on. You have to see this one cries. Nope.
Put it back up on, and then we'll try one more time. Oh, look at those tears. Oh.
That's so cute. We need a towel, guys.
That's gonna make you cry too, right, Grace?
Yeah, but no.
Oh no! Oh, even baby Grace is crying. It's so funny. Oh, they're so cute, right, Grace?
Yeah.
Oh, and look at that unicorn. Oh, that's so cute.
She's still crying. I have to put her pacifier on.
Oh, so she could stop crying.
Yeah, wait.
They actually do cry real tears. See? Oh, poor babies. Look how cute, Grace. Look at those stars.
Yeah, it's so awesome. I like
It's
stars.
so pretty, right?
She got another tear.
Let me see Jenna.
No, not
Oh, look at Jenna's stars. So cute.
She got a tear too. Other one.
Oh, let's see. Oh, baby, don't cry.
Right here too.
I know, it's so cute. And look at their little onesies. They have a cloud. This one has a cloud. Look, Grace. It's a cloud. And this one has a rainbow.
Please
How
say rainbow.
cute. And then Jenna has the cutest little wings in the back. How cute is that? And that hair. That hair
So
is
hairy.
so cute. Yep.
And the
so cute. And look at this hair. I love the colors.
And I'm gonna want them to cry again.
You want them to cry again? Okay, one more time.
And I'm
Let's
not
do
gonna
it.
cry
Poor
again.
babies. Oh, poor
We
babies.
have to wipe their tears.
Oh, they stopped. So
Oh, no.
cute.
Oh no, I got that tear. Got that tear, got that tear. Oh.
So many tears. So cute. We're so happy. Crybaby sent us these two really, really cute crybabies. Thank you so much.
And I got the other babies.
Yeah. We're adding Jenna and Dreamy to our collection of crybabies. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. They're so cute.
They are cute. I'm excited to play with them.
Thank you so much, Crybabies, for sending us this awesome collection of fantasy Crybabies.